Pedestrian accident is an accident usually involving a collision between a pedestrian and an automobile, and it can happen in a crosswalk, outside of a crosswalk, or even on a sidewalk.
Pedestrians do not always have the right of way in accidents with vehicles. Sometimes they do and sometimes they do not. In cases where there's a crosswalk, generally speaking, the pedestrians have the right of way. In some cases where there's not a crosswalk, the pedestrians still have the right of way, but it's not black and white in most cases.
If someone was involved in a pedestrian versus auto accident, then I believe SD and Bomberger is the right firm to call for a number of reasons. First, we've been handling these types of cases for the last almost 20 years, and we have a significant experience working them up and trying these cases. We know which experts to use to do the reconstruction of the accident. We know which experts to use to determine and calculate a person's earnings over a lifetime. We also know the right medical experts, which is important because you can bet the insurance company is going to have all the high-priced experts that you need to combat.
The types of damages that you can recover for a pedestrian accident case are pain and suffering, your past medical bills, future medical bills, any loss of earnings you have in the past, or any loss of earnings you may have in the future. But generally speaking, the biggest component of your injuries would be your pain and suffering. You should call SD and Bomberger if you were injured in a pedestrian accident because of the experience we have in handling these claims. We advance all costs on your case, and all the work that we do on your case is work that we do, and if we don't recover any money on your behalf, there's no fee for our services.